An affirmation is something that you tell yourself to begin to confuse your subconscious mind. By telling ourselves affirmations, we take back the power over all of the programming that we have been given since the beginning of our lives. I know many of my friends need to hear this message, as do many of yours. So please share this message with any of your friends that need to receive love right now. Get yourself in a still, quiet place, and it is best to listen to this recording with headphones on. We've spoke before that it takes 21 days to begin a habit, to replace old habits. So start listening for 21 days and form a new love practice to take care of the most important person in your life, you. Take a deep breath in, filling your entire chest and your belly with air, and let it out. Take another deep breath in and out. And we start by telling ourselves, I am worthy to receive love. I am love. I was created in love. It is my divine purpose to love and to be loved.
You do not have to repeat these affirmations. You can simply sit and listen and let them sink in. Let's begin. You are perfect just the way you are. You are becoming the very best version of yourself. You are loving and you are open to love. People love you just the way you are. The right people are always in your life at the right time. I give love and I receive love. I draw love to myself. I think positive things about love. Love is all around me. Love is abundant in my life. I am always attracting unconditional love. It is not selfish to love yourself. I am giving myself the best possible gift by loving myself first. I radiate love. I only attract positive, loving people into my life. I am attracting all the love that I desire. I allow myself to be in love and to be loved. I am love. I am sending out love and positive energy. I am perfect the way that I am. My Creator made me that way. I am created in the likeness of perfection. Not only are my relationships filled with love, they are filled with fun and fulfillment and faithfulness. I am omitting love and joy all of the time, and those around me are constantly benefiting from it. I am in sync with myself, in tuned and connected. I have great relationships. I love my uniqueness. I am open to receiving love. My heart is open. I am a wonderful, loving person. I am worthy of love. Love brings me positive energy, and I use my energy to send out positive, loving energy. I love myself just the way I am. I am always growing more and more. Everything that has happened to me has taught me that I am my own happiness. These love affirmations are for you to listen to. Don't forget to practice your breathing, filling your complete chest and belly with air. Listen to these affirmations for 21 days for the best results. Loving yourself is the key to loving everyone else in order for you to receive love. Happy manifesting.